Hi guys, so welcome to another video and today's video is actually vlog style because हमें बहुत सारे messages आ रहे थे कि vlog style में videos डालो and that was any which way in our list. So आज me and Bhanu we are going to the mall and we just thought कि हमें इसको document कर सकते हैं और we'll take you guys along with us. But important बात ये है कि बाहर बहुत तेज़ बारिश हो रही है. As usual, typical UK weather and और 2 बज चुके हैं. मॉल यहाँ पे 7 बजे बंद हो जाते हैं कुछ मॉल, बट स्टिल हम बाहर जाएंगे बिकॉज बहुत टाइम हो चुका है. बिकॉज कभी लॉकडाउन कभी रीओपनिंग एंड ऑल दोज थिंग्स एंड मुझे एक्चुअल शॉप में जाके शॉपिंग करे हुए बहुत टाइम हो चुका है. इनफैक्ट मुझे क्या आई थिंक काफ़ी लोगों को. सो आई एम जस्ट लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू दैट कि यू नो सेफली गो एंड हैव अ नाइस टाइम एंड जस्ट कम बैक होम. सो विल टेक यू गाइज अलॉन्ग विद अस एंड yeah. Okay, so before I head out, a quick outfit, details. So I'm wearing this jumpsuit. This is from Adidas, but मैंने order किया था ये ASOS से, and this is actually really loose on me. मैंने इसकी length भी बहुत लंबी थी because I ordered it from ASOS tall section, which is I think for the girls who are 5'10" and above. So मैंने इसको नीचे से खुद हाथ से सिला है temporarily. And ये जो अजीब सी चीज़ पड़ी है ये मेरा बैग है. और ये भी ASOS से है and this is like these kind of bags are really in chunky and pretty. So yeah, let's go out now. Okay, so finally बारिश नहीं है but it's really cold and the sun is out, which is a good thing. So I'm waiting for Bhanu to come and let's go then. Let's keep my stuff inside. एक second ना.
That's fine.
Jacket, sanitizer, bag, phone, सब फेंक दो. And okay, so we are in the car now and the best part is that the weather has drastically changed and it's quite sunny. मुझे वो काले बादल क्यों दिख रहे हैं? नहीं, अभी फिलहाल बहुत अच्छा है. Okay, now it's cloudy. Like seriously, it's cloudy now, right?
Yeah, it was sunny for like 20 minutes.
Oh God. Anyway, say hi, Bhanu.
Hey
Eyes
guys.
on the road though.
Yep.
He's driving.
I'm driving and I'm very disappointed in you, Urvashi. क्योंकि कल तूने बोला था you're gonna be the one who's gonna drive today, but as usual I'm driving.
Because I had to vlog for you guys. Anyway, guys, driving की जब बात चल रही थी तो यहाँ पे ड्राइव करना it's pretty difficult for me. लोग बोलते हैं इंडिया में ड्राइव करना बहुत मुश्किल है. मुझे इंडिया में ड्राइव करना बहुत ईजी लगता है.
I personally think if you can drive in India, you can drive anywhere in the world.
सब लोग ये बोलते हैं.
Well, I believe that.
बट मुझे ऑपोजिट लगता है बिकॉज यहाँ पे इतने सारे रूल्स है. लाइक हर एक चीज़ का रूल है. लेफ्ट मुड़ो तो रूल है, राइट मुड़ो. आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि इंडिया में नहीं होते, बट इंडिया में ट्रैफिक बहुत बुरा होता है. दैट्स ओनली थिंग. बट मुझे वहाँ पे ड्राइव करना बहुत ईजी लगता है. यहाँ पर तो मतलब आई गेट लाइक आई फील सो नर्वस. सो जब भी मुझे कहीं जाना हो तो मैं पहले भानु से रास्ता तो खैर छोड़ो कि मुझे पार्क का करना है. मेरे लिए सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट बात होती है कि पार्किंग मैं कहाँ पे करूँगी, कैसे करूँगी. एक तो 10 तरीके की पार्किंग है यहाँ पे.
So she always, I have to say this, she always gets panic attacks even before like parking. Like how would I मेरे को parking spot मिलेगा कैसे, मैं कहाँ लगाऊंगी गाड़ी. And then the funniest thing is if she's parking, there's gonna be like 4 people around her.
नहीं, जब भी मुझे पार्क करना होता है आई गेट मुझे इतनी नर्वसनेस होती है. तो पार्किंग 10 तरीके की होती है. रिवर्स पार्किंग करो कि पैरेलल पार्किंग करो कि 3 पॉइंट टर्न करो कि ये करो
Okay,
कि
so
वो करो.
hey guys, welcome to Urvashi and Bhanu's driving lessons. And this is a new YouTube channel. We're just going to talk about driving and parking and all that stuff.
I just realized मैं ड्राइविंग की बातें करूँ आप लोगों से. नहीं हम लोग शॉपिंग पे जा रहे हैं. हम उस पे करेंगे यार. फिर बारिश हो रही है क्या? नहीं होने वाली है. एनीवे यहाँ पे ड्राइविंग बहुत वो है और भानु ने 4 एग्जाम फेल करे थे.
क्या? I passed the first time. Like both theory and practical. Come on, Rishi.
Will believe. नहीं, यहाँ पे जो ड्राइविंग एग्जाम होता है एक थ्योरी होता है एक प्रैक्टिकल होता
They
है.
are
और
very difficult, absolutely. But we both actually passed on the first time. No, whatever you were saying to the camera.
अच्छा, I'm just kidding. We both passed the very first time. Now I'm sure कि सबको लगेगा कि मैं कवर अप करने के लिए बोल रही हूँ. But भानु I passed, okay?
Achha. No, she actually passed in the first time and so did I. And इसमें minor faults वगैरह and major faults वगैरह टेस्ट होते हैं. So like.
अब who is making this a driving driving lesson channel?
You are lying to people that I failed, but I didn't.
I'm just kidding. He passed. Even I passed. But the thing is, बहुत difficult होते हैं. I was literally studying like कि मेरे board के exams आ गए.
True.
इतने सारे notes बनाए थे, but we managed to pass. But
But I think that's not.
I think जितना आप ड्राइव करो उतना कंफर्टेबल होते हो.
Yeah.
तो मैंने भानु को कल बोला था कि मैं ड्राइव करूँगी, but
As usual.
Finally getting inside Zara after I don't know how many months. I don't know why I'm looking forward to Zara so much. Okay, so I really like this dress. और इसमें I think एक black color है और this one is different. ये अलग है ना? हाँ.
Yeah.
Okay, so the size I think this is for 29 pounds. मतलब कि कितना हुआ? Around 3,000 rupees है ना? Indian INR में. So I think I would go for extra small or small. दोनों same लग रही है. Oh, I don't know. Extra small, ना? Okay. Okay, so these are bodysuits in different colors. Basics are also here, like जो black में भी और white में भी है. But the ideal will be the normal life में शायद black और white लेती, but I really want to wear colors, so I'm gonna take this. This is just for 14.99, means around 15 pounds, so 1400 rupees का. So I'll just take small size. कहाँ पे है small size? I hope small size हो. Small size नहीं है.
Medium. Small.
Small size है. Small size है. Say hi. You know the kind of footwears I'm wearing. It is the exactly same ones are available in Zara. I think they are for 29.99. So, but they are quite similar. बहुत ज़्यादा. So if you wanna buy, and they are so comfortable. So we have done the shopping, but हमें यहाँ से बाहर जाया नहीं दिया जा रहा है. भानु is still there, बेचारा. Because bags बार-बार बीप कर रहे हैं, which is very embarrassing. और मेरे साथ ये बहुत होता है. Okay, let's see. Finally, we are all clear. We are good to go. So they are all Bhanu's clothes.
2 t-shirts, one in this one in this one.
Okay, very good. सब तेरा है, हाँ?
सब मेरा है. So yeah, finally she's done with these 2 bags.
But I'm very not sure about मैंने क्या लिया, क्योंकि मैंने कुछ ट्राई नहीं किया. Because obviously
I think it's gonna be good.
I was not in the favor कि मैं try rooms में जाऊँ try करूँ. So randomly बहुत कुछ उठाया है. But the good part is you can return or exchange
If it
जो भी
doesn't
है,
fit you,
अगर
yeah,
if
yeah.
it doesn't fit you.
Let's eat.
Yeah, we are very
I'm
hungry.
hungry,
5
yeah.
बज रहे हैं you guys. हमने कुछ नहीं खाया. Shall I show them whatever I've got in this video?
I think you should in another video.
Another video.
Yeah.
Okay, let me know guys because मुझे पहले खुद try करना है कि मैंने लिया क्या. But now let's go and eat. Okay, so we are in this Lebanese restaurant जिसका नाम मुझे कभी बोलना नहीं आता है. What's the name of this restaurant?
Comptoir Libanese, something like that.
Something Comptoir Libanese. Okay. So it's a proper authentic Lebanese
yeah.
restaurant. Food is so yummy. This is halloumi and tomato salad. Yeah, पता नहीं. Salad तो नहीं है.
No, just halloumi, yeah.
Halloumi and tomato with olives and well, it's a starter.
Yeah, just grilled
And
halloumis.
We've ordered grilled chicken for the mains, which I'm going to show
Chicken
you.
kofta,
The
yeah.
chicken kofte.
Yeah.
The view is so nice. So we were planning to sit outside initially, but ये लोग हमें allow नहीं करते. In which ways, look at the view.
Right, so the mains are here. So we order the same thing. It's
Yeah.
basically chicken, spiced chicken kofta, and some salad.
किसी के कहने पे मैं कीटो डाइट कर रही हूँ.
Well,
किसी
yeah,
के कहने पे.
he's forcing you, but yeah, still.
I'm just doing it for like 3 weeks, 2-3
Yeah.
weeks max.
Yeah.
So yeah.
So salad instead of rice.
By the way,
and we are. There you go, one more.
you can keep it here. Thank you.
Come with
Thank you so much.
in a second. Thank you so much.
Thank you. And if you are around here, you must try this restaurant, you guys.
This is amazing,
This thing is.
delicious.
So we are just out, and now it's time for coffee.
Starbucks, yeah.
Starbucks. So,
I think it's this side.
no, Starbucks is here.
We sure? I think
Yeah.
it's this side.
Starbucks is here, 110%.
Okay, I'll follow you.
Okay, trust me, huh?
Yeah, so my directions are kind of always messed up. मेरी geography बहुत weak है.
बहुत ज़्यादा weak है.
Are we recording? Oh.
Yes, we are recording. Thank God you admitted that, क्योंकि मैं इसको हमेशा बोलती हूँ जब भी मुझे कुछ explain करना होता है, and he never agrees to that. But anyway,
Well, yeah.
so let's see. अभी Starbucks कहाँ मिलेगा? अगर Starbucks यहाँ मिला तो भानु कितने कुछ शर्त वत लगानी चाहिए थी यार. Shit.
तू शर्ट जीत गई है, मेरे को दिख गया है, तू सही कह रही थी.
It's just right there.
Yeah, she was right.
What were you thinking?
It was on the other side, I thought. I thought it was like McDonald's, but actually it's the other way around. So.
McDonald's? So these are for the
For
coffee
our
machine.
Nespresso machine, yeah. So I think I really like this Columbia one. And these are okay for like, afternoon. But I think in the morning I really prefer this one. You know what, I'll take this one, and
I've
this
never
one.
seen him buying from here. क्योंकि वैसे he would order from Nespresso, right?
Yeah, but I'm actually almost out of the coffee.
Okay. Coffee के लिए कुछ भी.
I don't-
Okay. Black Americano.
Americano, please?
Yep.
Okay, so I'm going to end this vlog for Urvashi, and if you really love our driving lessons, then you should be subscribing to our channel and smash that like button, hit that bell icon. I can do this better than you actually.
एक second. Can I?
Yeah, you can do it.
Please don't unsubscribe क्योंकि भानु ending कर रहा है. पता नहीं अब क्या होगा. Anyway,
Subscribers बढ़ जाएंगे तेरे.
हो गया. I can remove my mask.
Yeah, you should.
ये lipstick पहले तो नहीं.
No, you're looking beautiful.
Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'm really enjoying making all these videos for you guys, and keep supporting. I need your love, support, subscribe, share karo, and
Smash that
probably
like button.
wait for the Zara haul.
Yeah, yeah. And we'll see you next time. Peace.